Since this is a beginning course in music composition, we will not be covering more advanced topics such as four-part writing, open and closed voicing, etc. We will, however, need to understand a few basic principles. One of these principles is the principle of voice leading. Theoretically, any chord can move to any other chord. There are, however, certain elements that make some chord progressions more appealing than others. One of these elements is the voice leading between chords. The movement from one chord to another is actually at its foundation melodic in nature. To understand this, we first have to understand voice. Each pitch of a chord is sometimes referred to as a voice. The top pitch is called the top voice, the middle pitch is called the middle voice, and the bottom pitch is called the bottom voice. Voice leading is the manner in which each voice in one chord transitions to the corresponding voice in the subsequent chord. If you look at the movement of a G major chord in root position to a C major chord in root position, you will notice that each voice moves downwards by a perfect fifth. To create better transitions between chords, composers use chord inversions. This process can be summed up in the principle of voice leading, which states, the transition between chords is most pleasant when one or more of the voices remains on the same pitch, and when one or more of the other voices moves by a whole step or a half step. Here's the same chord change, a G major chord to a C major chord, this time using the principle of voice leading. Why does this work? First of all, by keeping one voice the same in each chord, we create continuity between the two chords. Second, movement by steps is the most melodic form of movement. It is both natural to the human voice and the movement that we find present in the scale. Make sure you understand the principle of voice leading before completing the lesson assignments.